how to buy Loki token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now make sure to visit or check the Rex account, as you can see. Now before that, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinGisco, open this token there. Now after that, scroll down until you find the contract. Now copy the token address. As you can see, the token address is under the base network. Now to be able to buy this token is by going and open your Biscuit wallet. Now after that, make sure to switch the chain here to base. Now after that, click on this plus icon. Now from here, paste the token address, as you can see. And now this is our token. As you can see, the token is not listed yet. Now just click on it. And after that, it will add it to your wallet. Now just go back. Now this is our token, just click on it. Now click on swap. Now after that, switch it from here to be able to buy it. Now select here the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now enter how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds, and this is how much you will receive, as you can see. Now click on buy to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Loki token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.